Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase network reliability with DigitalOcean, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase network reliability with DigitalOcean, begin by creating an account. Visit the DigitalOcean website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Droplets section on the dashboard. Click on the Create Droplet button to launch a new server. Select an appropriate operating system for your project. Choose a plan that suits your budget and performance requirements. Select a data center region that is closest to your target users for reduced latency. Under Additional Options, consider enabling backups for your droplet. After configuring your droplet, click on the Create Droplet button. Once your droplet is ready, access it using SSH. Use a terminal or an SSH client to connect to your server. Once connected, update your operating system by running the appropriate package manager commands. Install network monitoring tools to keep track of your server performance. Consider setting up a firewall to restrict unauthorized access. DigitalOcean offers a built-in firewall feature for added security. Create floating IPs for high availability. Floating IPs allow you to reroute traffic to another droplet in case of failure. Set up load balancing if you are running multiple droplets. Load balancers distribute traffic evenly across servers, preventing overload. Regularly test your network speed and responsiveness. Use command line tools like ping or traceroute to check your network metrics. Consider implementing a CDN service for faster content delivery. Using a content delivery network helps to minimize latency and improve load times. Finally, review your network configurations periodically for optimization. Document any changes made for future reference and troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.